like I have mentioned in the test 1 video. So now we proceed to test 2. Let's begin our test 2, road signs. Question number 1. What does this sign tell road users? A. The road ahead is uneven. B. There are humps ahead. C. There is a river nearby. The correct option here is the road ahead is uneven. Question number 2. What does this sign tell road users? A. There is a priority crossroad ahead and you do not have a right way. B. There is a priority crossroad ahead and you have a right way. C. There is a crossroad ahead. The correct option here is B, which is there is priority crossroad ahead and you have a right way. Question number 3. This sign tells you to be on alert, on the lookout for A. Potholes, B. Speed humps, C. Rocks on the road. The correct option is speed humps, which is B. Question number 4. What does this sign tell road users? A. There is a secondary crossroads and you have a right way. B. There is a crossroad ahead. C. There is a secondary crossroad ahead and you do not have a right way. You have to yield to cross the traffic. The correct option is C, which is there is a secondary crossroad ahead and you do not have the right way. You have to yield to cross the road. This sign alerts you of what? Which is question number 5. A. Drifting allowed on the road ahead. B. Fuel dumped on the road ahead. C. Slippery road ahead. The correct option is C, slippery road ahead. Question number 6. This sign warns you of what? A. Skew T-junction ahead. B. T-junction ahead. C. Side road junction ahead. The correct option here is A, which is skew T-junction ahead. Question number 7. This sign tells you to be on a lookout for what? A. Temporary construction or maintenance works ahead. B. Pedestrian ahead. C. A roadblock ahead. The correct option is A. Temporary construction or maintenance works ahead. Question 8. What does this sign warn you about? A. That the traffic may be approaching you from the right hand side. B. That the traffic may be approaching you from the left hand side. C. That the traffic may be approaching you straight up ahead. The correct option is B. That the traffic may be approaching you from left hand side. Question number 9. This sign alerts you of what? No throughway. B. Hazard ahead. C. Traffic signals. The correct option is B. Hazard ahead. Question 10. Where can you find this sign? A. Road that splits into 2. B. On any road. C. Where 2 roads join your road within a short distance. The correct option is C, which is where 2 roads join your road within a short distance. Question 11. This sign tells road users that A. Motorcars not allowed on this road. B. Parking available for users, for surfers. C. There is a jetty edge or over bank ahead. The correct option is C. There is a jetty, edge, or rover bank ahead. Question number 12. What does this sign warn you about? A. Traffic could merge from left at the sharp angles. B. Traffic could merge from the right at the sharp angles. C. Traffic could merge ahead. The correct option here is A, which is traffic could merge from left at the sharp angles. Question 13. This sign warns you of what? A yield sign ahead. B, hazard ahead. C, speed bumps ahead. The correct option is A, which is yield sign ahead. Question 14. This sign warns you of what? A, T junction ahead. Y junction ahead, which is B. C, side road junction ahead. The correct option is B, which is Y junction ahead. Question number 15. Where can you find this sign? A, near a shopping center. B, located in any road, but especially in a rural area near schools. C, near a police station. The correct option here is B, located in any road, but especially in a rural area near schools. Question number 16. What does this sign tell you? A, only minibuses may drive there. B, only motor cars may drive there. C, only taxis may drive there. The correct option is C, which is only taxis may drive there. Question number 17. This sign alerts you that A, there is a stop and go ahead. B, the road is under construction. C, a schooler patrol operating ahead. The correct option is C, which is schooler patrol operating ahead. Question number 18. This sign tells you that only may use that part of the road. A, midi buses. B, abdominal vehicle. C, delivery vehicles. The correct option here is A, which is midi buses. Question 19. What does this sign tell road users? A, they may be free-ranging animals such as cattle on the road. B, cattle farm ahead. C, wild animals ahead. The correct option here is A, they may be free-ranging animals such as cattle on the road. Question number 20. Which vehicle type is allowed on this part of the road? A, only midi buses may drive there. B, only buses may drive there. C, only tour buses may drive there. The correct option is B, which is only buses may drive there. Question number 21. What does this road marking tell vehicle drivers? A, car racing is allowed. B, you may only travel a high speed on this road. C, you may not cross to the right hand side lane. The correct option is C, which is C, you may not cross to the right hand side of the road. Question number 22. What does this sign mean on public roads? No buses allowed. B, no motor cars allowed. C, no taxis allowed. The correct option is C, which is no taxis allowed. Question number 23. What do you do when you see this road marking at the intersection? A. Slow down and proceed. B. Stop your vehicle behind the stop line. C. Drive if there's no vehicles. The correct option is B. Stop your vehicle behind the stop line. Question number 24. What does this sign indicate? A. Mini bus may not drive there. B. Motor cars may not drive there. C. Vehicle transporting children may not drive there. The correct option is A. Mini bus may not drive there. Question number 25. Sign F6 forbids buses to drive past the sign. Taxis to drive past the sign. C. Mini bus to drive past the sign. Correct option is C. Mini buses to drive past the sign. Question number 26. At intersection, when you see the sign, you must look out for the pedestrians. B. Proceed without stopping. C. Yield to the other traffic. The correct option is C, which is yield to the other traffic. Question number 27. What does this sign mean? A. You may not buy from hawkers. B. Hawkers are not allowed. C. Do not park near a hawker. The correct option is B, which is hawkers. Hawkers are not allowed. Question number 28. What does this sign tell road users? A. Abnormal vehicles not allowed. B. Agricultural vehicles not allowed. C. Construction vehicles not allowed. Correct option is C, which is construction vehicles not allowed. Question number 29. How must you react when you approach the sign at the intersection? A. Give a right way to the pedestrian on the road or want you to cross the road. B. Park your vehicle and travel with foot. C. Travel at the high speed and pass as quickly as possible. Correct option is A, which is give right way to the pedestrian who wants to cross the road or wanting to cross the road. Question number 30. What does this sign forbid? A. Rickshaw. B. Animal-drawn vehicle. C. Horse riders. Correct option here is A, which is a rickshaw. Let's complete our test 2 and see how did we do. Congratulations. According to our results, we got 30 out of 30 at our road science, which is 100%. Took us 14 minutes to 20 minutes to complete. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. By subscribing, it won't charge you anything, but you'll see more videos when I post.